Okay, welcome back. So today we're gonna go ahead and try and cool this bad boy off. As you can see here, I got a kit from Vintage Air. This is the Gen 4 SureFit system for the 73 to 877 pickups. I had this kit originally back in, as you can see, back in 2015. It came as 3 parts. You had 3 different boxes that came in. You know, one that contained the condenser, the other one had the evaporator inside the cab, and then you had your compressor and all the other components, the hoses and all that good stuff. So when the vehicle caught fire, I only installed the cab portion inside the truck, the evaporator kit. I hadn't gotten to the condenser, compressor and all the stuff underneath the hood. So the sweet thing about this Vintage Air system, you can buy one piece at a time, or you can buy the complete kit itself. Initially I had purchased the complete kit. Like I said, it's shipped out in 3 boxes. Okay. And again, here's the hard lines. Just going to run to the condenser. But when the truck caught fire, the evaporator portion was gone, the cab portion was destroyed. So I was able to purchase the evaporator kit itself, rather than the entire kit all over again, since I already had the hoses and everything that weren't hooked up. So I'm going to crack this bad boy open. Let's take a look and see what's inside. So this is the heart of the system here. See, it's very compact. You got the servo up top, control the gates inside, your computer up top here, your blower for your heater core, this portion there. It's super compact, light. Very nice, clean system. Plug and play.